Hi YouTube, we're back at it again. We've got a problem with our dryer. My son was trying to dry his clothes and they were wet. He tried several times and they never dried. So I've done a little pre-checking to see what the problem is. I went upstairs to look at the vent and the vent is working fine. It has a little flapper there. I was expecting to see that frozen shut. It wasn't. It seems all right, and I checked the dryer and turned it on, and it looks like it starts, and it looks like the drum doesn't turn, but we are getting some heat. All right, so we're getting ready to get some tools and take this dryer apart. First thing we do is disconnect the power and disconnect the gas. This is a gas heated dryer. Okay, we're going to disconnect the power. It's just 120 volt power. We'll disconnect this. I got a little bit of tape here just to hold the cable from getting in the way. And we still got the gas turned on. Okay, we're going to disconnect the gas right here. And that's straight across. We'll disconnect the gas and we'll leave it connected up because we don't want to create any leaks that we have to fix later on. Okay, so we're going to pop the top and see what's going on. Put this over here. A screwdriver. Two little things that hold it on here. Pop it on. And there's two screws in the back. Right here. So I gotta take these two extra screws off. There's a problem right here. All right. This makes pretty quick removal of this. Up. Okay, we took off the back. Now we can get into the gas nice and easy. We got two wrenches here. Remember, you need your gas valve off before you open this, and make sure there's no gas smell. If there's gas smell, then you're leaking some gas. Okay, so we're gonna disconnect the front. So we need this connection disconnected so we can get the door open. There's a little tough little connection here. Got to get it nice, and a little tab holding it on. I use a little screwdriver to kind of pry it up, both sides. Work it up. And we disconnected that. Now we're going to disconnect the screws over here. That's one screw. You can use a screwdriver. Okay, now we got, okay, to remove this is, it's gonna hold up the drum, so you gotta pull up with it to pull it out, and it completely comes out, just like that. Just set that to the side. Okay, it looks like the idler has fallen. The idler sits like this, and the belt runs on the top of it and runs around it and up to the driving motor. So we'll need to lift this up just a little bit. Get this in. Put it over the top. Put it underneath like that. With the other hand, lift it up a little bit. Just work it around. Okay, we're back in business. And just run it a little bit just to make sure everything's okay. We're gonna put this door back on. Again, you gotta slide it into those two little marks there.
Watch on my fingers. Remember, I have my fingers here. No, I have my fingers here.
All right, back up.
Okay.
Can you hold this right here?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna get the top back on. Make sure to plug this back in. A little clip. My assistant will help me with putting the back on again. Yeah, just gotta lift it up a little bit. Okay, lift it up. Lift up. Lift up. All right, let it down.
Click it?
Yep.
And then.
All right, so we got it. We're gonna test it out, so we don't want to reassemble everything. We just want to put the gas back on and turn it back on and give it a run. All right, so just putting the connection on, and then we turn the gas on right here, so it's in line with the valve. Then we can plug her in. Probably doesn't reach now. Alright, So we're just going to kind of check the connection out, make sure we've got some just regular soap and water, dish soap, and looks like we're doing pretty good. No bubbles. You get no gas smell, so we're looking pretty good. So we're going to test it out. We're going to order a new belt and a new idler so that make sure this problem doesn't occur again. We're just going to start it right now, turn it on, push the button. You can hear it starting up. After about a minute, it will fire up and the gas will turn on and the heat will start. So you can hear it start in a few minutes. Okay, just started and turned on. So I'm gonna go put my hand over the end to see if we get some hot air out of here. Oh yeah, we get nice hot air out of here, nice flow. So we're good to go. Okay, so we're gonna line up the exhaust pipe with the dryer, and that will be it. We've already Googled the part that we need, and we'll be getting that shortly. So we'll be taking it back apart, but we'll use it for right now till we get the new part.